Is there any other damage besides the dishwasher that she needs to be aware of, Steve?
No, the only thing, it's limited to the dishwasher, but given the damage that was done to this solenoid valve and how it was pulled off of the brackets, I'd question how the electrical work was done, especially if it wasn't by a licensed electrician.
It was just the damage to the dishwasher. We can't use it anymore, and it was just...
This is the reason why
He thinks we should
the
have...
solenoid valve never kicked on, is because it's been jerked loose from the two where it connects up above, right there, and it's leaking.